Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then scroll down a bit and enter accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. You will need internet connection to add account, of course. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing you have to tap accept here. An account will be added. If you want to delete account, just select it here, then tap here and tap remove account. An account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.